Hello everyone, I'm Kalsan, your English teacher, and welcome in my class today. So dear students, today we are going to discuss about noun. Okay, this is your basic lesson and I know this is your simple lesson, but then too some students are such who doesn't know how to recognize a noun in a given sentences. Okay, so by this video lecture you can get easily that how can we find out a noun in a sentence. Okay, so let's have now some example and lesson definition. Okay, so definition of noun: the word we use to name a person, a place, an animal, a thing, a feeling is your noun. Okay, so this was your definition. So in a simple language I'm just telling you now, any name is called your noun. Okay, any name which you can feel, which you can see, that is called your noun. Is it clear? Means anything as a particular name, that is your noun. This is your simple what definition of noun. Okay, so let's have some example of it. Like so many examples are given here in people, animals, places and things. So in peoples, like Dr. Rohit, Samuel, engineer and journalist. Okay, so those all categories are having names, a particular name. So for this we use a noun. Okay, these all are your nouns. In animals means any animal's name. Okay, like dog, cat, fox, insects, snake, reptiles, whatever, means those are having a particular name, that is your noun. Next one is a place: school, park, city, New Delhi, New York, house, playground. Okay, these all things are having a name, particular names. These all places are having a particular name, so it means this is also your noun. These are also your nouns. So next one is the things, like river, telephone, iron, chair, machine, fruit. Is it clear? Means these are also things, so these are having a particular names, so these are your nouns. Okay, so my lovely students, again I am just telling, those things are having, those animals are having, those means any things are having a particular name, that is called your noun. Okay, any name is called your noun. any name, कोई भी आपका नाम होता है, that is your noun ही होता है. Clear? Means like walls, I am just telling you now in a simple, walls. Clear? This is also your noun. Like ring, this is also your noun. Like watch, this is also your noun. Okay, like airport, like phone, telephone, TV, windows, door, chairs, desk, plates. Okay, whatever you use, so that is your nouns. Means those are having particular name, that is called your noun. I hope you have got it now. So let's have one exercise of it, by which you can get easily, by which you can find easily a noun in a given sentences. So look here. So now in exercise A, underline the nouns in the following sentences. Okay, remember a sentence could contain more than one noun. Okay, it is telling you again that in a sentence you can find out more than one nouns. Is it clear? Okay, you can find more than one noun. So first sentence is your: Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Okay, so now you have to find out, you have to focus on your names, you have to find out the names. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. So in this, Tokyo, capital and Japan. Okay, in the first one, Tokyo, capital, Japan. These all are your nouns. Okay, in next, someone stole my. Someone is this your name? Tell me, just tell me. Someone is name? No. Stole is a verb? No. My? No. Pencil box? Yeah, this is the correct. Okay, pencil box is a name. It is a thing. From the bag? Yeah, bag is also right. Okay, so pencil box and bags, both are your nouns. Clear? Next one is hurry. Hurry went to the market to get some milk. Clear? Hurry went to the market to get some milk. So in this video, in this sentence, hurry, market and milk. Okay, these all are your nouns. Okay, in this video you can get easily, you can find out easily a verb, a noun in these sentences. Just you have to focus. Okay, so next one, my sister is learning how to drive a car. Clear? So first one is sister and second one is learning how to drive. No, a car. Yeah, car is a noun, sister is a noun. Clear? In next one, Please leave your notebooks. Please, no, this is not noun. Leave also not your noun. Verb, your is also not noun. Notebooks, yeah, notebook is your noun. Okay, this is a thing. On a table, yeah, table is also noun. This is also a thing. Okay, this is also a name. So notebooks and tables both are your nouns. In the next one, dolphins are playful creatures. Okay, dolphins are playful creatures. Okay, so dolphins, yeah, dolphins is an animal and creatures. So it means in this sentence you are getting dolphins are playful creatures. Okay, so creatures, it is showing the category of it. So creatures also is your noun. Clear? Yeah, so in next book exercise, dear students, complete the nouns by writing the missing letters. Means you can see here some noun words were written. So you have to find out from this grid and you have to complete it. Okay, so this is your task. You have to do it. So in the next one, use the noun from the box to complete the following sentences. Okay, so you have to choose the correct one noun to complete these sentences. So first one is tonight we will bake a. What will you bake tonight? So you have to choose. You have to find out any noun. Those are written here above these sentences. So like cake, okay, always we bake a cake and something else. So tonight we will bake a cake because option is here only for one. So yeah, now you have to find out. Now you have to write here tonight we will bake a cake. Clear? Next one, my uncle is blind at the Supreme Court. Okay, in Supreme Court you can't be a marble, basket, seahorse, odds and cake. Yeah, so what can you be? A lawyer? So my uncle is a lawyer at the Supreme Court. Clear? Okay, like that you have to find out, like that you have to find out the correct word, correct noun word, okay, for these following sentences. I hope this video will help you a lot.